fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Alright, I'm letting you guys know that the Ozone is more than just shoes. We have swag, as you see. We have new age swag, Nike shorts. We have classic Nike swag in case you want to stop by. We also have tees, sports. We have tees for geeks. We have tees for gamers. We got additional basketball shorts of all kinds. We're going to be carrying many different clothesline: Nike, Prada, Louis, Gucci, Billionaire Boys Club, Supreme. We'll have all clothes, toys, and other items in stock. I can't leave my comic book people out of the drip swag, so we'll have stuff for you guys in. We're also getting the computer section up, so if you guys want to build any gaming PCs or buy any PCs, they'll be in the store pretty soon. Alright guys, now that the little commercial is over, let's get on to the shoes. Alright, I forgot to mention, we also have sports memorabilia like this Lakers basketball here. We have footballs and other sports related items in case you want to stop by and pick any of them up. Alright, like I said, let's get the commercials over with. Taking the show in a new direction. Let me get you guys some box action. This is a new type of shoe that's sweeping. Everybody keeps coming by to the shop and asking me to buy pairs for them. This shoe is the Nike Air Vapor Max 360. I want you guys to know, would you guys be interested in seeing this shoe on the channel? I have, well, this one isn't mine, this one's for a customer. But I have a pair of these shoes in every colorway that came out. Just don't like the way they feel, so I'll never wear another pair. Like I said, I just want to know if you guys would like to see them on the show. If you would like to see them on the show, I'll run through all the colorways and add these to my Air Max collection. But I really don't want to add these to the Air Max collection because I don't like the way that, well, these have a little bit of different bottoms, so I might try a pair of these on and I'll let you know. But again, these are the Air Vapor Max 360s. Let me know if you guys want to see these on the show. Alright guys, we're taking the show in another direction, so everybody who's here, this is a debut exclusive. I give you guys a little bit of box action. This pair of shoes is near and dear to my heart. It's going to make me start a Vans collection. Anybody who knows me, I love The Simpsons. Love The Simpsons. I have every episode of Simpsons on DVD. I've seen every episode on its air date since the Tracy Ullman debut of The Simpsons to today. I'll never miss an episode. I never missed an episode unless they took it off for football or something. So here we go, guys. Like I said, this pair of shoes is near and dear to my heart. As a Simpsons fan, I had to buy these. I usually don't even like Vans, but now I'm going to start a Vans collection. I just bought over 40 pairs of Vans. So as they get here, we're going to start busting them down and unboxing them on the show for you guys. I had to take out both these shoes. Both these shoes are different. We're going to start with the first shoe. Let you guys see, this is the classic Simpsons on this shoe. It's not a bad shoe. It's just a normal, Van. For those of you who don't buy Vans or haven't bought Vans or seen them if they're not in your area. Alright, let's get the second shoe up here for you guys. This is the modern Simpsons animation on this shoe. Just an all around, like I said, normal Van. Give you guys a quick spin. This shoe is now Van number 1 in my collection. Like I said, we're going to continue to expand. Let's get to the next shoe. Thank you, Matt Graham. Alright, get you guys some box action. Let's see what this shoe is. This is another Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. This is white. But that says University Red. Yeah, it's white and University Red. Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. Let's check it out, guys. I haven't even seen these shoes. They look alright. Nothing special. It's called a special edition, but it's not looking too special. It's looking very normal. This was this an in-store pickup or I think this was an in-store pickup. They had these on sale for like half off, like $60. So I was like, I couldn't pass them up. Sold out all the pairs I had. I don't know if they were too popular. I said, $60 pair of Jordans. Added to the collection. This is probably gonna just be for staring. I probably never wear these, but they're now in the collection. There's nothing to me that stands out on this shoe. It's just the blue, white, and red Air Jordan. Maybe the tongue is a little bit special, but that's about it. Like I said, I don't know why they call it special edition. It's made of fabric. It's a nice shoe, but like I said, I won't wear it. I might wear it maybe years down the line when everybody else's is old and worn. I'll bust mine out, crack a couple heads. All right, let's get on to the next shoe, guys. All right, guys, let me get you some box action. Like I was saying, everybody that knows me knows Jordan 1s are my first favorite sneaker. I have the largest sneaker collection on the East Coast. I also have the most elaborate Jordan 1 collection in the East Coast, possibly. I have Jordans dating back from 1985 to today. This is another Air Jordan 1. I even have the original bad Nike shoe, which wasn't the Air Jordan, but only those who are true sneakerheads know that shoe. I have those original shoes from 1985 up. All right, we're going to get into this. This is the Air Jordan 1 High React Black, Noble Red, and White. I was on the fence with these, but since they're Jordan 1, I had to get this shoe in every colorway they make. These aren't really too cool in the hood yet. Maybe they'll catch on later, but I see a lot of people wearing these in the suburbs, like the Vans. So when I go to the suburbs, I may throw on a pair of these. Get you guys that 360 action. This is basically the Jordan 1 silhouette. They changed it up a bit to try to make it more futuristic. Gave you a little bit more cushion on the bottom. Anybody who knows Jordan 1s knows that Jordan 1s are not a comfortable shoe, being that they were really designed back in 1984/85. This is a new rendition of it to try to get you a little bit more comfort on your foot, maybe an everyday wearing Jordan. I'm not trying to get the bloody foot like Jordan as I ball. I'm going to get you guys a little bit more look at this shoe. Alright, this is our final shoe, guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see those Air Vapor Max 360s on the show. We'll start to collect some of those. Like I said, I already bought them. I just don't know if I'm going to keep them or not because I'm never going to wear them. Let me know what you guys want to see on the show next. Let me know if you want to see swag. We're going to be having some on-the-foot action once I get the on-the-foot studio place working. So we can do a little bit of catwalking so you guys can see on feet. We're going to do some lace swaps. I'm going to show you guys how to care for your sneakers. I'm going to teach you how to keep your sneaker collection in A1 condition for at least 20, 30 years. So you can pass these shoes down to your kids. And next, you got to treat these sneakers as stocks. So that's all for the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Everybody fucking jump!